Back here in the middle of a third set of this match between Ateneo and UST. Ateneo looking to consolidate their 2 victories early in season 75, while UST looking to bounce back from a loss against National University. If they're going to do that today, they'll have to do it the hard way. They're down 2 sets, as the former Ateneo Blue Eagle, Bacon Austria, in attendance supporting the Lady Eagles. 8 serving 7, the Batangueña Melatunay on deck. Combination play.
Valdez, another drop ball.
It wasn't even a perfectly executed play, and hindi na fake ni Tejada yung initial blockers eh. But Valdez still gets a point.
Ferrer to serve for Ateneo.
Over received. Tunay was there. Lastimosa is checked. Lantin underhand to Pam. And the joust is won by Ateneo again. They surge ahead here after being down by as much as 4. They're up now 9 serving 8.
Somebody has to step up here on the side of UST.
Ateneo takes the lead, 9 serving 8.
Really turn things around, get the momentum on their side.
Saved again by Kainglet. Chance ball though for UST. Uy, pinalo pa ni Valdez. De Leon. Huli. Another one. Lastimosa underneath the ball.
Lastimosa goes wide.
Things not going well here for UST.
Pam Lastimosa, the spark plug in the match against National University. The Isabela native, Jem Ferrer, continues to serve. De Leon in the middle, huling-huli, no? And
right now, actually, Lantin has to find other options. Both Lastimosa and De Leon, nababasa na talaga ng Ateneo.
Oh, great move there by Lantin. Nabanggaan yata, ano, si Lazaro. You know, speaking of options, one of their options is sat down for a long time. Marupa Natikla has been on the bench for a while. Almost exactly the same as what happened in match number 2 for them against National U. Just a variety of attackers for Ateneo today, Anne.
And all very high percentage.
Chance ball again. They open up to Valdez. To Saran. Lantin calls out De Leon. There's something on the floor on the UST side. And hopefully nobody gets hurt.
Attack error by
the referee sees it. There's Maru on your screens.
UST ties the game at 10. Lastimosa to serve.
Micah also joining her. Point going to UST. We're tied in set number 3. Off speed. Kitang-kita ni Caballejo. Tunay.
Oh, Tunay. Sends it out.
Tunay hits it wide.
In position, actually, was Lastimosa. She was also going to go for it.
But Tunay actually approached going to the middle, not to really get the ball. Now these errors just really keep on piling up here for UST.
Lantin opens up to Caballejo. Again, great defense by Ateneo today.
Long cross court by
Yun ang may karga.
Great defense.
And the spin of the ball, if you can see it in the slow-mo, allows the ball to go down in the last second. Look at that spin. Then the ball drops at the corner.
That's good wrist action there on the part of Valdez. Ang maganda dyan, they have good defense and they really complement that with a good attack.
Again, reception error for UST. This things falling apart here. Unfortunately.
Point goes to Ateneo.
Judging by the reactions that you're seeing from the players on the floor.
Ateneo now with a 3-point lead.
No energy, just really blank faces here.
May konting laglag yung laro na Ateneo, but they have recovered here in the third set, Anne. Reverse set. De Leon makes something out of it. Arvasio, wala na yan. 4 touches.
Ball out of bounds.
For Ateneo, and it's rare that we see them disjointed on offense on Ateneo, at least for today.
De Leon to serve for UST. 11 serving 13.
Now it's Jesse De Leon on deck. 11 serving 13. Underhand set. And Valdez just too much
Valdez.
power behind that
Through the
attack
draw.
and kills it. Gives him a 4-point lead. Sorry, 3-point lead.
Even at this point, UST still seem to,
Valdez.
not
to
have
serve
an
for
answer.
Ateneo.
And still no adjustment as well.
Misreceived,
Oh.
but
Drop by
Lantin
Lantin.
power tips it through on the second ball.
Substitution, UST.
And now it is Alex Cabanos.
Number 14, Lantin
Rookie.
out. Number 10, Cabanos in.
Originally from De La Salle Zobel.
Cabanos to serve for
Now will
UST.
serve.
Cabanos also a strong server.
One of their service specialists.
Also plays a setter position.
Yes. Kainglet down the line. That's wide. No,
The line
it's a
attack
check ball.
by Kainglet.
Apparently, yeah.
Ateneo, of course, has that goal of keeping that unblemished record.
Yep. Over received. Yasaran will go to Tunay. Underneath the ball again.
Attack error by
Tunay still
Tunay.
no success here in the third set.
Second technical
Off
timeout.
day for Mela Tunay. KitKat break muna tayo. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a KitKat UST down by 4.